Hello everyone, my name is Sahadi. Uh, I am from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering student of at Sumatra Institute of Technology, and welcome to my presentation video on the module of the use of a proximity sensor in pneumatic system. Uh, in this session, I'm going to if explain three main things. Uh, First, I'm to what a proximity sensor and how they work, and the second, I how to they are applied in pneumatic system through VLC control, and last I am to will go step by step the ladder diagram that we use in the VLC trainer. By the end of this video, you will understand not only the theory behind the sensor, but also the complete control logic implementation with PLC. And next, I'm the purpose of the practicum. Uh, the practicum this help to use understand the working principles of uh, inductive and capacitive proximity sensor, and to learn how to connect fly by proximity sensor and connect to pneumatic actuator as a double acting cylinder. It also used to read and design a ladder logic diagram according to given system requirement. In short, this experiment bridges the gap between theory and real automation control. Uh, Next, what the proximity sensor? A proximity sensor is an electronic device that detects the presence of an object without any physical contact. In industrial automation, this sensor visually use to detect product uh, position, the product position, count the number of object, uh, or acting to limit switch that the VLC. Convert to mechanical switch, proximity sensor are faster, more reliable, and will fry free since of the play the crucial in a feedback control. And the proximity sensor use the types of proximity sensor to two types: inductive proximity sensor and capacitive proximity sensor. In the inductive proximity sensor, detect two metallic object inside. It has an oscillator that generates a high frequency electromagnetic field at the face to the sensor. Uh, when a metal object enters this field, uh, it changes the inductance, uh, causing energy in the oscillator. Uh, the circuit detects the change and switches the output from off to on. Typical application in detecting the piston position in a pneumatic cylinder or the presence of a metal component a conveyor line and to and types 2 a capacitive proximity sensor. Meanwhile, a capacitive sensor proximity can detect both metallic and not metallic uh, materials such as wood, plastic, glass, or even liquid. It forms an electrode field between its sensing electrode electrode mm, example monitoring the level of a liquid in a tank. Both tips convert a physical proximity into electrical feedback, which we can process inside the VLC. And and next, I'm to overview the ladder example ladder of diagram in uh, in ranks one, the first rank. Uh, PB on in address 000 normally open push button and PB op and address of PB op 001 normally close stop button. When the PB on button is preset, the VLC turns on the internal relay W coil W000 labeled system. This coil acts as the main control let that enables the rest of the program. Uh, if PB of the PB of button is freezed, the VLC turns on the VLC turns off in uh, i- from on to off. Uh, the energizing the system and stopping all process. Uh, this ensures that the automation only run when the operator activates it in and in the next line two in line 2 proximity sensor section where 00 is the system coil define it must bound for the sensor or a function uh, in PB 002 is the proximity sensor input. The proximity sensor input and when a object a usual metal is detected by the sensor, it sends high signal to VLC input. This energies with 0001 with we call out a proximity sensor, the internal relay that represent the sensor output inside the VLC logic. This internal relay used in the following section to trigger other function. And the next rank in next rank 3, the ranks C saw how we combine the proximity sensor with a timer, and the component in here are the E003 to switch timer, and we 000 for a system mainless from the start, and we 001 of the proximity output from the proximity sensor, and T 00000 or the timer for the timer with a preset of value uh, mm, 5-second delay. And here how to work in the runs uh, in the runs work when the system is on in switch timer is active, the circuit waits for a signal from our proxy, and when a proxy turns on, object detect the timer t 00 begin counting. After 5 seconds, t 000 finish timing and active fast v 002 and labeled the timer output. If the object leaves before the timer complete, the timer reset. Reset to ensure stable detection only after a set time. And now let's move the counter section. The counter section is a core of the second letter image. The element are switch CNT and system and out VL out proximity and counter 00 and timer CNT. And onto CNT C uh, the the counter is set to uh, 1 second when the detect, uh, meaning that every time the sensor detect one object, the counter counts while count ons. When the count value is reaches C00 becomes on. At the same time, timer CNT T110 uh, can delay the next count to avoid double triggers from one object. Once C00 becomes true, it the triggers the timer T 11001, the product falls, and after that it activates VGNT output. And this logic ensures the system register is detection accurately one signal, one con, and the final song, the final show in final ladder diagram. In final ladder diagram, uh, so the control logic for the output fault represented by QG10017. The conditioning, the conditioning required to energize the valve are V000 for system on and V002 for timer on and V003 for uh, counter on. When L is three condition are true, the coil, the condition three true, the coil of Q out valve uh, is energies. This output driver, the solenoid valve with control airflow, the cylinder pneumatic system. In short, the system must be running. The timer must have a complete is a delay, and only will the valves and uh, the counter CNT, the counter uh, must have counted the set number of the detection. Uh, Only then will the valve active, extending or retracting the cylinder. This ensures the safety, precision, and proper synchronization between sensor input and mechanical action. Uh, let's let's summarize the full process flow. The operator PB on, turning the system V00 on, and the proximity sensor, the sensor proximity or proximity sensor detect the object and set out to proximity sensor V001, and the timer of T000 begins counting, uh, generating V002 after 5 seconds, and every detection increment the counter C uh, C00 when both timer and counter condition are satisfied, uh, Q one or odd valve energies. The sequence automates the pneumatic system uh, counting and timing is detection before activating the valve. Okay, the conclusion to conclude this experiment demonstration or experiment presentation, how a proximity sensor timer, and counters can be combined in a VLC ladder logic to create a full automation pneumatic control system. Its input and output play a specification role. Push button start or stop the process. Sensor detection feedback. Timers and counter manage the logic flow, and the output valve execute the final mechanical action. This integration show how electrical control logic direct govern pneumatic motion, forming the basis of modern automation. Thank you for watching, and I hope in this video in my video helps you understand how proximity sensor and VLC logic work together in industrial control system. Thank you.